Teaching your dog to roll over is a fun and rewarding trick. It strengthens your bond and keeps your dog mentally sharp. Here are the simple steps to help your dog learn this fun trick, starting with the important down command. Before teaching roll over, your dog needs to know how to lie down on command. If your dog does not know down yet, take a little time to practice that first. Once your dog can comfortably lie down, you're ready to move on. Get a tasty treat that your dog loves. Small, soft treats like Zook's Mini Naturals dog training treats work great, because they are healthy and easy to chew quickly. This helps keep your dog motivated and focused during training. Hold it close to your dog's nose to get their attention. Slowly move your hand from their nose toward their shoulder, then around to the other side, in a circular motion. Your dog will likely follow the treat with their nose, which helps them naturally roll onto their side, and eventually all the way over. At first, your dog may only roll halfway or seem unsure. That's totally normal. Reward any effort, and keep your tone positive and encouraging. The key to successful training is positive reinforcement. The moment your dog starts to roll, even if it's just turning their head or rolling partially, give them the treat right away. This lets your dog know they are doing the right thing. Using a clicker like the PetSafe dog training clicker can make training even easier. The click sound marks the exact moment your dog does the right thing, helping them understand what you want faster. Once your dog understands the motion, keep practicing to build confidence and consistency. Repetition and routine are your best tools. Practice daily for better results. With time, roll over will become a fun and easy trick your dog does. Once your dog is consistently following the treat to roll over, it's time to add the verbal cue. Say roll over just before you move your hand, so your dog begins to associate the words with the action. You can also pair the cue with a hand signal to help your dog respond even without treats. Training should be enjoyable for both you and your dog. Keep sessions to 5 to 10 minutes, and always end with praise and a reward. If your dog gets tired or frustrated, take a break and try again later. Patience is important. Do not worry if progress is slow. Every dog learns at their own pace. Celebrate the small wins and stay consistent. By following these steps, you and your dog will master the roll over trick in no time. Remember to be patient and have fun during the training process. A happy, confident dog is more eager to learn, so keep the experience positive from start to finish.